Hey guys, what's up? It is No Way Out again, and I want to give you guys more of an in-depth look at my new Whirlpool water heater. It is working out very well, and let me see if I can give you guys the specs here. I should be able to manually adjust the focus. She's running like a champ, so energy guide, price is $277. So yup, it's gonna be insane, but you know, we're really gonna enjoy this water heater. So I know I'm way close to it, guys. I know you. All right, here we go. Here's what we're looking for. Product and serial, I think. But let me give you guys the backstory of how we got this water heater. Basically, what happened was we had a leak at the bottom of the water heater. It was an old A.O. Smith that we had, and basically the bottom of it, I guess it cracked over time, and then it produced a leak. We found it like 3 days ago, so it leaked all over the drain pan. We had to go out to Lowe's and buy a new one, which we got, which is the Whirlpool. And it's really good. It's not bad of a water heater, but you know, it will help, and you know, it's gonna help us in the long run. The A.O. Smith was actually a 9-year-old water heater, and apparently I guess it didn't live out long enough, but you know. But now we have Whirlpool, which is really good. So let's zoom in on that logo. Yeah. So, you know what we're gonna do here? I'm gonna go fire it up. So this shouldn't take very long for me to do it. So, but here are the controls on what to do in case of an emergency. That's the little light. That's let me see. Whoops. That's bad, but you know. But it works. Oh, and by the way, the control panel is made by Honeywell, it seems like, but yeah, it works. So, okay, I don't want to bore you guys to death. Let's just get on with the startup video. So, what I'm going to do here is let me check the water pan. It should be, I should be able to set it like close, somewhere where it's not gonna break. Oops. Alright, well, I know this water pan is kind of filthy, but it'll do. I don't want to hurt it, so alright, here we go. Alright guys, she's running. Oh, that's a bad focus. Give it a minute. Alright, well, I'm not going to have it shut down, so I'm going to end the video right here, guys. Alright, have a good afternoon. Goodbye.